Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name's John, if you didn't know that already. Today I am doing a really quick video. Got my mic on top of my camera today, so I wanted to set this up really quickly, but I literally just got it. G480. It's the pink version of the G480 XL mouse pad from Logitech. Didn't see any videos of this on YouTube, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing. I've already sliced it open here on the side, on the edge, so just gonna slide that top off. And then I think it just slides out. Apparently there's a carrying case with it, so I don't really know how it works. This color is insanely good. Really fits with my theme of flamingo pink, because my Instagram is Flamingo Fins and my Twitch name is Flamingo Fins as well, so it goes really well with that whole shtick. Anyway, I don't really see a carrying case inside, but I'll have another look in a second. You can take a look at the length. This is actually huge. Oh my god, it's huge. It's almost like a mini blanket or a gym towel or something like that. We're gonna put this on my table, see if it actually fits, but it looks sick. The color is really nice. I'm actually filming this in HDR, so you can see the most accurate color that I can give you. So let's put it on the table. We obviously need to move a few things around, so I'm gonna move my keyboard and my mouse. Get rid of my old mouse pad and replace it with this new one. So the particularly good thing about this mouse pad, obviously besides the color, is the bottom bit. So it has this rubber bottom with special grooves in it, kind of like, almost like little tire grooves, and it really helps to stick the mouse pad on the table and keep it there when you're performing speedy, quick movements with your mouse. It's not going to slide around. The unfortunate side of this mouse pad, though, so we have to talk about that, is the edges are not stitched, and I just noticed that. I thought they would be. I think there's a new version of the XL that is stitched, but these pink ones, they're not. They're not stitched around the edge, so what can you do? You pay the price for the color that you want. I hope to change that in the future, but you know, one thing at a time, right? Anyway, that's it for this really quick video, really quick unboxing and kind of tiny review of the mousepad, the G480 is it, I think? So, yeah, G840, sorry about that. Yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed, hope it helped some of you make your decision on on if you want to buy it. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.